Hey guys, I did this cute half up half down hairstyle on a full lace closure wig. It looks really natural and I did it without harming my edges with the ball cap method. So I'll show you guys how I did this easy tutorial start to finish with detail. So starting off, this is the Isee hair, the Brazilian body wave, and it comes with the packaging with everything that you need, including a pamphlet for hair care details, nails, eyelashes, and an elastic band to lay down your edges, and also a wig cap. You will need some hairstyling mousse and edge control, but I'll link that in the description box. So this is what the hair looks like. This is only a 13 by 4 lace frontal, which doesn't give you a lot of space to do half up, half down. So I'm going to show you guys the method that I did to try to cover the tracks in the back and still add more hair at the top for a ponytail. So this is just one option that you could style it in. You could do the 4-inch middle part, but I just felt like that was enough space for me personally, so I just decided to do half up, half down. And I'm just showing you guys the amount of edges that will be left on the side. This is the amount of lace that they have. It's not completely 13 by 4 on the sides. So this is the tool that I use to pluck. It's just a flat tweezer. These are much easier, and I like to spread water all over the hair to make the plucking much easier. As you can see that the hair follicles just come straight out of the lace. And I'm only plucking this part out in the front because my forehead hairs do not come down that far, okay? So on the sides, I'm just plucking in no particular order. I'm just going straight up and down the perimeter. You can, if you want to, you could part the front row like maybe a couple centimeters just to avoid over plucking, but for me, I already know what to do. I just go as I see fit, and then every few minutes after plucking so much hair, I'll try the wig on to make sure that I'm not over plucking and that on the other end I'm plucking enough. So this is just what I do every few minutes or whatever. I'll just comb out the excess hair to try to get a picture of what it would look like. And so after I tried it, I said, okay, I need to go back in this area and pluck some more. And that's basically it when it comes to plucking the unit. It's just mimicking your natural hairline or creating a whole new one if you just want it to look a certain way. And this is the angle that I had to use too with my hand, but you can just see that I'm plucking it as I go. So now that I'm finished with the plucking, this is what it looks like. Don't worry about if you over pluck on the ends, like near your ear, because you're still going to be able to pull it up on the side. And I did flat iron this hair already. And so now I'm just hot combing it to get the hairs in place to kind of lay them flat. Sometimes I like to use mousse, but I just felt like for filming purposes, I'll go ahead and just use the hot comb. So now I'm measuring. I've already measured and cut the sides. I meant to show that part, but this is what it would look like with the perfect measurements. Like I've already clipped the excess lace off. So now I'm using my favorite mousse. This is the Tresemme mousse. It's really, really good. It holds your hair in place. As you can see, I did not use a ball cap method because I just feel like that just pulls your hair out and it's harder to wear it as a protective style. And then also the Nairobi mousse. They both work really well. So now I'm just cutting the excess lace like in a jagged position, or you could do straight. Doesn't really matter. So this mousse though is the one to get if you can't get the Nairobi. This one is at Walgreens, Target, wherever. It is the strongest hold. It keeps your hair in place and it helps to melt it. As you can see, like look at that. It's already looking like scalp. And it's not directly on my hairline, but you can still, see that it looks natural. So I'm just tying down the edges with the elastic band that came with it, or you can get another one from the beauty supply store if you don't have one. And I'm just starting the half up, half down. Now you can see that I'm actually borrowing some hair pieces from the back and the sides, but I'm careful to not make it look like a track is showing in the back. But when you hot comb it all the way up and then put it in a ponytail, you really won't be able to tell, especially when you wear your hair curly, which I am going to do later on. At first, I was just going to leave it like this, straight. But then I said, okay, I want to do curls. So this is what it looked like, just straightened. So then I decided to just do curls off camera with my flexi rods. And yeah, it just looks like scalp. I didn't go through all of those extra steps of methods. And to remove it, all you need to do is apply water to the edges and then take it off. This looks really good with just moves and a little edge control and just tying it down. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below and see you guys in the next video.